exploitation of Sentinel Island will wipe out tribals. Anthropological Survey of India policy document warns of threat to endangered group from commercial activity. 20 December 2020. Cut off. The Sentinelese live in complete isolation. Shiv Sahai Singh, Kolkata. Any exploitation of the North Sentinel Island of the Andamans for commercial and strategic gain would spell the death knell for its occupants, the Sentinelese, a most secluded, particularly vulnerable tribal group, PVTG, who reside in complete isolation on the island, the Anthropological Survey of India, ANSI, has said. In a policy document, which comes almost 2 years after American national John Allen Chau was allegedly killed by the Sentinelese on the island, the ANSI says the right of the people to the island is non-negotiable. These rights are unassailable, non-negotiable and uninfringible. The prime duty of the state is to protect these rights as eternal and sacrosanct. Therefore, the island should not be eyed for any commercial or strategic gain, for if it were to happen, it surely would be a death knell for its occupants, the policy document said. The Sentinelese, with a population of about 50 to 100 on the North Sentinel Island, are not only among the most isolated of nearly 70 PVTGs across the country, but also among the 5 in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which include the Great Andamanese, the Onge, the Jarawa, and the Shonpans. Knowledge Bank. Along with maintaining the territorial integrity of the North Sentinel Island, the document also calls for building a knowledge bank on the Sentinelese. Since, on-the-spot study is not possible for the tribal community, anthropologists suggest the study of a culture from distance. Speaking to The Hindu, M. Sasikumar, Deputy Director of ANSI and among the few anthropologists who have circumnavigated and conducted an aerial survey of the North Sentinel Island as late as 2015, said this is the first detailed policy draft for the Sentinelese Island, prepared at the request of the Andaman and Nicobar administration. The Andaman administration had written to us to come up with a policy document. All of us who have worked on the tribe sat together, held discussions and prepared the policy. We have sent the policy to the Andaman administration for their consideration, Mr. Sasikumar said. The document calls for an insightful study of the journal of John Allen Chau, who spent a couple of days on the island, encountered the Sentinelese from close proximity and registered his observations. According to Mr. Sasikumar, Chau's 13-page diary, parts of which are legible and has sketches of the settlements, is an extremely important anthropological document. Chau had handed it over to the fishermen who transported him to the island in November 2018, a day before he was killed. We don't know what is happening on the island. During the British period, M.V. Potman had visited it, followed by few anthropologists of the ANSI after independence in 1967, and then it is this American Chau. These are the only occasions when outsiders have landed on the island. The rest have been observing the inhabitants from a distance, Mr. Sasikumar said. The ANSI has published the policy inputs in a paper titled, Draft of the Policies for Great Andamanese and Sentinelese, in their journal recently. Along with Mr. Sasikumar, ANSI Director Vinay Kumar Srivastav, anthropologist Umesh Kumar, Shiv Kumar Patel and Priyanka Eri Goyal are co-authors of the document. Any exploitation of Sentinel Island will wipe out tribals. Anthropological Survey of India policy document warns of threat to endangered group from commercial activity. 20 December 2020. Cut off. The Sentinelese live in complete isolation. Shiv Sahai Singh.